Is Microsoft Teams acting up, throwing error codes, or just plain not working? Let's squash those Teams gremlins right now. First, let's check the obvious, but crucial thing: your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try restarting your router if needed, or switch to an Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. Next up, outdated software can be a real pain. Click on the three dots at the top right of Teams, and then select Check for Updates. Let Teams download and install any new versions. This often fixes bugs and improves performance. Still no luck? It's time to clear the Teams cache. Close Teams completely, then navigate to your computer settings and find your installed applications. Locate Microsoft Teams and clear the cache and data. On mobile, double-check your app permissions. Go into your phone settings, find the Teams app, and ensure it has permission to access your microphone, camera, and any other necessary features. No permission, no function. If you are still experiencing issues, it might be due to conflicts with other applications. Try closing other applications to see if this resolves your issue. With these steps, you should be back to seamless collaboration in no time. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.